Unraveling the power of practice tests for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most effective strategies for preparing for the TOEFL and IELTS exams: practice tests and mock exams. We'll explore why they are important, how to use them effectively, and some key tips to ensure you get the most out of your practice sessions. Practice tests and mock exams are powerful tools because they provide a realistic environment for you to experience the test format, help identify your strengths and weaknesses, build test-taking stamina as the actual exams can be lengthy, reduce test anxiety by familiarizing you with the structure and types of questions. Though these terms are often used interchangeably, there's a subtle distinction. Practice tests are individual tests or sets of questions you can take multiple times, focusing on specific areas. Mock exams mimic the actual exam environment, including timing and structure, and should be taken under real test conditions. To make the most of these tools, follow these strategies. 1. Simulate real test conditions. This means no breaks, distractions, or peeping into answer keys midway. 2. Review mistakes thoroughly. Don't just note what you got wrong. Understand why you made that mistake, and how you can avoid it in the future. 3. Space your practice. Instead of cramming, spread out your mock exams and practice tests over weeks. 4. Set clear objectives. Before each test, set a goal. Maybe it's improving time management or targeting a specific section. 1. Over-reliance. Practice tests are tools, not crutches. Don't solely depend on them. Complement with other study methods. 2. Over-testing. Avoid doing too many tests back-to-back. It's counterproductive and can lead to burnout. 3. Not adapting. If you're repeatedly making the same mistakes, take a step back and address the root of the problem. All right, future language masters. With the power of practice tests and mock exams in your arsenal, you're on the path to TOEFL and IELTS success. Remember, practice makes perfect, but strategic practice makes for an even better performance. Here's hoping this video aids you in your journey to acing these tests. Happy studying!